Okay, so Anmol, thanks a lot. You gave me your time for this
Thank you, sir.
interaction this morning. And Anmol, I'm really thankful to you a second time because this is your second interaction on your PD education.
Yes.
Some 3.5 years back, we interacted with you, Rahul interacted with you in the campus when you were in IIT Chennai campus, IIT Madras campus, you were doing your MS. And
Hmm.
Rahul, surprisingly, this particular interaction will be providing a lot of information to the students. You have got a very good job now. You have almost completed your master's, that is MS in manufacturing, and you've got a very good job in one of the best companies, Airbus. And at the same time, you spent a lot of time in MS. You spent more than 3.5 years in your MS program. So there, I'm very sure a lot of information will pop up during interaction with you. So once again, thanks a lot for giving your time.
Thanks for the opportunity, sir.
Okay, and Anmol, now let's start it. Let's start it this way. Though there's another video of yours on the your PDF,
Hmm.
but I again ask you to tell us about you. When did you graduate? Which part of India you are from? From where you
Okay.
graduated? And what was the year? And what was your grade score at that year?
Okay.
Which led you to get admission in IIT Madras in manufacturing?
Yes,
And
sir.
when did you take admission? That was summers or winters? And which was the year?
Okay. Sir, I started my BTech journey from 2013.
Hmm.
I completed my plus two in 2013, and I'm
Hmm.
from Himachal. I did my plus two from Mount Carmel School, Una,
Hmm.
Himachal.
Hmm.
Then I joined UIET, University
Hmm.
Institute of Engineering and Technology, Punjab University, Chandigarh, in
Hmm.
2013, and graduated from there in 2017.
Hmm.
I gave GATE in 2017 also. My score was 36 marks.
Hmm.
So GATE score was around 400 something.
Hmm.
Uh, then I took 1 year of gap. I started coaching at Engineers Career Point. So there I prepared for 1 year, and I GATE in 2018 also. So that
Hmm.
time I was able to achieve a score of 707
Hmm.
GATE score out of
Hmm.
1000.
Hmm.
So based on that, I got admission in IIT Madras
Hmm.
manufacturing field.
Hmm.
I had to come here for the interview that time,
Hmm.
and along with that, I got seat in IIT Kanpur also. That was MTech Aerospace.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I had the option
Hmm.
to choose one of them.
Hmm.
That time I preferred MS in
Hmm.
manufacturing. So
Hmm.
that time the belief was this is a core sector and I'll have more options. Means if I'm in manufacturing, and I
Hmm.
think I made the right choice that time.
No, you can say
Uh,
that, huh?
yes.
Okay. Before I go next, Anmol, I will
Yes.
keep on popping. I'll keep on asking you certain questions before I forget. So,
Okay.
many students who
Hmm.
get MTech and MS also in relatively good IITs and good options. I
Yes.
said MTech in aerospace and MS in manufacturing, IIT
Hmm,
Madras.
hmm, hmm,
So many students would have taken the first option because their students fear that MTech sir 2 साल में हो जाता है, MTech में placement अच्छा होता है. These are misconceptions, I tell you. सो एमटेक अच्छा होता है, लोग ये बोल रहे हैं कि एमटेक में प्लेसमेंट हो जाता है, but why you at the first place chose MS, which
yeah.
might have taken more time, and now we know it took more time,
Yes.
though it provided you great career opportunity, but it took almost double time. So why
Yes.
you chose MS at that time?
Sir, even that time, I was aware, MS will take 2.5 or 3 years. MS will take, and my family also, my parents told you join MTech, it will be finished in 2 years.
So
Then you
yes,
can
get into job.
switch also in between the companies wherever you join.
Hmm. Hmm.
But my belief was I want to join masters to learn, and
Hmm.
I think MTech means it's although learning is great there. If you are getting the good project there, you will be able to learn. But
Hmm.
what I believe, 2 years is a very short time if you want to learn deeply in a particular field.
Hmm.
So I preferred MS in manufacturing here. Like 2.5 years or 3 years, I was okay with 3 years also.
Hmm.
So I thought, okay, let me join manufacturing here, and
Hmm.
like aerospace, because when we go for MTech, there we are not sure which particular field we are going to join because the
Hmm.
project comes to us after 1 year or 1.5 years. But
Hmm.
MS, when we are joining, on the very first day or within the first month, we know which faculty we are going to join and
Hmm.
which area we will be working on. So
Hmm.
I think that's a better you will have sufficient time also, and better timing
Mm.
stage to learn which.
So learning and opportunities are more, right, in MS?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm. Acha, Anmol, let me ask you this way. Now I'm going little reverse. The
Okay.
best thing I want to, in which I'm getting excited to ask you this. Like you told me that you got placement in Airbus, right? I
Yes,
want to ask you, was it very difficult to get placement? Because you just told me that very first day you could get that. So
sir.
was it difficult for you to get into Airbus job?
Sir, I understand the competition is very much. When we go for the placements, we are competing with the BTech guys also, MTech guys
Hmm.
also, even PhD also. So
Hmm.
all are on the same stage, I'll say.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. It depends on the company whether they want a master's student, BTech or PhD. So they
Hmm.
open the portal for particular people only.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, I was competing with all the master students,
Hmm.
both
Hmm.
MTech and MS.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, and for Airbus, they had different profiles.
Hmm.
My profile was system installation.
Hmm.
So that was related to manufacturing, I can say, or
Hmm.
mechanical, we can say
Hmm.
here.
Hmm.
So I felt this is the best profile, and I have worked in the similar area in my lab. Installation of all the equipments was done in my presence. So I had pretty good experience with that. So I thought when I have a good experience of this thing, let me go for this particular field. So I sat for the written test. I got shortlisted in that. And shortlisting also, it depends on the company how much students they want to interview for particular profile or the whole company. So there maybe I was lucky enough, or I was able to achieve a good score that I got shortlisted for written, and then I went for the interview.
So Anmol, this Airbus, Boeing, ये कुछ ऐसे catchy word है ना that
Hmm.
maximum students, engineering graduates, they aspire to get into these kind of jobs. So I
Hmm.
want to ask you, like when you said that these companies come for BTech also, MTech, PhD also, and I'm very sure they must be coming for different profiles. Like the
Yes.
expectation from BTech guys will be different than from PhD, than from masters. So when you got this job as a manufacturing specialist now,
Hmm.
what profile they are taking you for? So maybe if
Yes.
you can explain that in simpler terms
Yes.
to the students who is listening, and maybe he is into masters in manufacturing or
Yes,
something.
sir. So they had different profiles. I can just share which profiles this time they took. So one was flight operations engineer they took. Then flight physics one was. Then non-destructive evaluation stress measurements.
Okay.
Then mine was this system installation.
Okay.
So my profile was mainly related to the assembly part. So like what I know means the other candidates who were with whom I was competing there for this profile, I felt like I had a lot of experience working in my lab because the system installation, I understand, like I had not worked on the aircrafts for installing, but I know how it is done at a place. If you're setting up a laboratory, also how it is done. So I shared my experience with the HR team and the technical interviews. So they were pretty confident, like, yeah, maybe I'm the good candidate for them. So based on that, they selected me.
Okay, Anmol, so let's go 3 to 4 years back when you joined
Okay.
this course.
Yes,
What
sir.
was your expectation from the course, and is it now
Okay.
fulfilled?
So when I joined, my work was on silicon, silicon basically for semiconductor industry. So that time I was like, okay, maybe I'll go for the semiconductor industry in the future. And I was exploring for that field also. I thought, okay, let me go to silicon because India, if we talk about, so semiconductor industry will be a good boom in the future, and a lot of work has to be done for India in this field. Uh, that time it was like, okay, this is my field, and I'll do good in this. I interacted with many companies also when we were procuring the equipments. So I had good networks, I can say, with a lot of companies in India also, in foreign also. So I was like, maybe this thing will help me in the future. Because in the end, interaction, it was these things matter a lot. But means if when I sat for the placements, one company was there. I'll not take the name here. So I was not able to even get shortlisted after the GD also group
Okay.
discussion. I was
Mm-hmm.
like out of the GD. So I was like, okay, if this company is not for me, and one more was there, I was not even shortlisted, seeing the resume also. Like,
Mm-hmm.
although the company's profile matched with my profile exactly, but they had some other parameters to shortlist.
Mm-hmm.
So there also I was like, okay, the same profile company is not taking me. Let me be open for others also. So
Mm-hmm.
uh, then I made open myself for other companies. Although I had already applied for other companies, like Airbus also I already applied. So since the profile matched, because I have like for Airbus, I'll say semiconductor will not matter that much. But whatever experience I had gained in the lab, that
Mm-hmm.
helped me a lot there.
Great.
So
So Anmol, with which I mean, which domain? Can you name the your professor with whom you have worked during your
okay,
masters?
yeah, I'm working with Dr. Satyan here,
Mm.
Dr. Satyan Surya. So he's
Mm.
a professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering,
Okay.
and so his main work is on machining of brittle materials and also
Mm-hmm.
of graphite for
Mm-hmm.
forming graphene.
Mm-hmm.
So like
So
his
maybe the student who have done their production engineering, material
hmm.
science domain and all, can they also join, MS program in your department in IIT Madras, Chennai?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They can
Mm-hmm.
join. Like
Mm-hmm.
the criteria is same. They have to apply through online that application. Means
Mm-hmm.
even if they have given the gate in production or
Mm-hmm.
material science,
Mm-hmm.
if they are if they are shortlisted for the interview, then they can surely come here. Or now it is online interviews, so they can give their interview, and if the panel selects them, then it's good for them. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So there are cases. Like
Anmol,
I
now
yes, sir.
before sorry to cut you. Before I come to next question, I want to ask you very straight question. When you tell
Okay.
somebody that I spent 4 years in MS,
Hmm.
maybe you are still in the hostel of IIT Madras.
Yes.
So when you tell somebody I have spent 4 years in masters,
Hmm.
and I got a very good job.
Yes.
So how particular fellow should take it? He should take it as your a lot of good and enrichment, learning experience, or your
Hmm.
inefficiency that you took too much time. How somebody should take it?
Yeah, sir. Like very good job I have got. That is after 3.5 years. So before that, also this question came to me from
Yeah.
many people. Like you have spent three and a
Maybe
half
during
years
job
in
also. Maybe during job
during
interview also.
during interview also the question
Mm,
came during interview
mm,
also. But
mm,
I'll say what matters is the learning and what experience you have gained from that place.
mm, mm,
So, like here, I can say I understand. I have spent a lot of time, but the experience was uncomparable with the others.
mm,
I feel like if I was an MTech guy, maybe I wouldn't have gained so much of experience, or I wouldn't have made so much networks with worldwide or within India.
mm,
So that matters in the end, sir. Like how much,
mm,
what's your communication skill, how you are able to handle the situations. So
mm,
MS, like we generally call it like a mini PhD. So
That's true.
uh, I'll say we go through a lot of things
Mm, mm,
similar to what PhD students feel,
mm, mm,
and we have to be very patient. We have to be very patient in our work.
mm,
I think these things come with
mm.
experience and time.
It's true.
We can't go through this in a shortcut.
Mm. Okay,
So
Anmol, let me now come to another question, which
yes.
which is related to the job, salaries, and growth and all.
Hmm.
Now,
Okay.
Airbus is a great company, we know that, and it
Hmm.
is a European-based airline
Yes.
manufacturer company. It's a big MNC, and they have, I think, their offices in India, in Bangalore. That is what
Bangalore.
all I know.
Yes.
So one question comes to the mind. One question normally students ask is, what is the package you get if you get into
Hmm.
job like Airbus? What is the growth opportunity? That means if you spend 5 years, 10 years
Hmm.
in this company, how can you expect growth in terms of number one salary? That is the first criteria. कि
Okay.
पैसा कितना मिलेगा हमें salary.
Hmm.
Everybody is interested in to know that. Second is growth कैसे मिलेगा कि मेरे को यूरोप जाने का चांस मिलेगा कि नहीं, और अगर मैं 5 साल इस कंपनी में रहा तो मैं किस लेवल पे हूँगा. I'm very sure now, since you've got the job, you must have done all this survey, right?
Yes.
And they must have also told you in their pre-placement talk or something. So I want your answer, and we do not expect you to reveal your placement offer or something, but we expect you to tell us something about Airbus. Salary कितना होता है, 5 साल के बाद क्या career opportunity होता है, growth कैसा होता है, whatever things you want to tell students about Airbus. Yeah.
Okay. Sir, like if we come to the firstly placement scenario of IIT Madras, so generally they call the companies that are good. The very first day they will call the companies that are
best company पहले दिन आता है.
Best companies, even if the package is less, they will call the best companies, or they will call the good companies with a very good pay.
So तो IIT Madras का company को best बताने का what is the criteria if not salary? What is the other criteria?
So this I also
reputation, maybe reputation, Fortune 500,
maybe reputation, yeah. And sometimes the companies also demand we need the slot in the very first day or the very second day. So that is from the company side also. Like if I talk about the Bajaj, they got the slot on the very first day. The Mercedes got I think on second or third day. So it depends on company to company when they are competitive. Yeah. So like Micron Singapore company, they have office in India also. They got the slot on the second day, and that's a very good company in chip manufacturing, silicon chip. Yeah. So it depends on company to company. So coming to Airbus, if we talk about the aviation industry, since Airbus is aviation company, so the aviation industry, the package. Starting package for the company, it is it goes between 10 lakhs to 46 lakhs, like that. Means
but that is quite wide. Standard aviation is quite big.
So
where the average hits?
Average hits 22 lakhs. That I have that is what I explored from my some of my known in other sectors and from internet also.
So if somebody joins master's course or somebody wants to get into Airbus, he can expect a 20 lakh plus also, right?
Starting package, I can't say 20 plus, but yeah, with growth, it will eventually come to 20 plus or near to that. So the growth wise, it depends like how you are performing in the company. Means although every company gives an yearly growth also, that is there part of almost all the companies, yearly or 2 yearly growth. So that's here in Airbus also. But if you are performing very good, so they can give you extra growth also there. Also, like if you are not happy with your profile that you have got, you go there and you find some other profile is open after joining. Means you are working there and you find that there is some vacancy in some other profile or other department. You can give a test, or the committee will decide whether you are fit enough for other department or not. So they can send you to other department. So that way it works. Yeah.
So students get opportunity to go to Europe and all also.
So like sometimes training is there in Europe. Means they send the candidates for the training, and sometimes in India only, depending on the profile. That's purely profile dependent. And also means if there is some vacancy in foreign department, so there they can apply. And it's the same. If the candidate is good enough for that profile, they will.
So who are the competitor companies of Airbus? All I know is Boeing or something like that. So
mainly, worldwide, if we talk about competitors, Boeing. In India, if we talk means in aerospace or defense, if we talk, Tata is also emerging. So India-wise, Tata is also there. Boeing is also there. Worldwide, Boeing. Yeah.
Chalan also looks like it is quite a good career, and growth is also good, and learning profile is also good. Now I am coming to some of the questions which are largely myths in the minds of students. पहला question है कि M.Tech में अच्छा placement होता है, MS में नहीं होता. Your answer to this?
Sir, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Okay.
Like for the company, both are equal. It depends. I mean, some companies they don't open some particular profile for M.Tech or for MS. Because some might need a research profile candidate. So I understand their M.Tech guy is not a good choice for the company. But some need technical person, managerial person who is not that much into the research. They just want to maintain their standard procedure that is going on in the company. So there, and I understand like MTech person is good. Even MS can be good there. So some companies open the profile for both. Whosoever they find suitable, they will take. So it's not like MS will get more opportunity or MTech will get opportunity. Means it varies company to company or profile to profile.
अच्छा
Both are given
अनमोल,
equal opportunity.
कंपनीज देखती क्या है, व्हाट दे लुक इनटू सम कैंडिडेट, जो उन्होंने आपको सिलेक्ट किया तो किस बेस पे किया होगा?
Some most like every company after this written test. So in the written test, they have already checked your technical skills. Means they have shortlisted you based on that. And after that, some go for group discussion also to check the communication skill, how you're interacting with the team, or if you have opposing ideas, so how you handle the situation there. So those things are done in group discussions generally when they select a more number of candidates after rating. And after that, this is general view, means not about Airbus, general view I'm giving. So after that, it's like technical interview and HR interview. So technical interview, they'll check whether you are a genuine person, means you had given the test, let's say, with your own knowledge, or you means just to test what kind of person is he? Is he able to give the answers, the simple questions that we asked related to his profile, or what type of projects he had worked on, how much effort he had paid to the projects, what issues he faced while doing those projects, or while being in some other co-curricular activities, how he dealt with the situation. So these things they check, means in order to be clear whether the person is fit enough to work with us or not. So it goes that way.
That way, okay. अच्छा अनमोल, जैसे you did your masters in manufacturing, you know, in engineering, mechanical engineering also students go first for design and maybe for thermal and then manufacturing, industrial. So there is a kind of hierarchy students have set in their mind, you know, in particular branch of engineering also. And then if it come to interdisciplinary, there's a, you know, big debate among students like core, non-core kind of things. And when we talk about departments like energy science, climatic science, atmospheric science, nanotechnology, so students always feel that if they join masters in these departments, which we call interdisciplinary, they may not get job. That is what they feel. Because I keep, when we guide students, that students say, sir, मेरे को ये department मिल रहा है, मेरे को energy studies में masters मिल रहा है, MS मिल रहा है, oceaneering में मिल रहा है, and IIT Madras का oceaneering वगैरह is very good. So we tell them that you know, masters में आप चले जाओगे तो learning same रहेगा, CFD वो भी करेगा, CFD तुम भी करोगे. True. And if you do good, then you will get opportunity for jobs also, good jobs also.
Yes, sir.
What is your view on that? My question is, can a student who is getting into interdisciplinary department, or the department which student feel is not good, can he think of getting good job in those departments also?
Definitely, sir. So
ये नहीं कि तुम यहाँ पे बोल रहे हो तो तुम्हें बोलना है. Honest
नहीं, sir. Honestly.
Okay.
Like I know many guys who joined ocean engineering or engineering design. They also competed with us for many of the companies.
Okay.
Some companies they restrict them, means depending on what kind of background they need. But generally, most of the companies they open. And if I talk about the data science companies, since they're working in CFD or simulation companies, so these companies normally open the profile for every field, means who is working in, let's say, simulation, CFD.
So even data science companies are also working in CFD and all, right?
Yes, sir. They are also working. Means because when you are working in CFD, you will be somehow you will be in contact with the coding part also. Means it's not only that you are working in ANSYS or Abacus. Sometimes we have to go for the scripting also. Like I know in Abacus there is Python scripting, so you have to learn Python also. So those ways, if your work is matching, so they will allow you.
Great.
Yeah, so it's not the company will not allow. It's a fear in the mind of students generally. Like if I go for let's say energy studies or ocean engineering, but this point I'll say that students should also think about the future, because these fields are emerging in India and they have good scope in India. If they go for these fields, they can do good in future. I mean for themselves also, for India also.
Great. अच्छा अनमोल, अब एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि आपने एमएस ज्वाइन किया एंड स्कॉलरशिप इज गिवन फॉर लिमिटेड पीरियड, सो नाउ इट इज मोर देन 3.5 years for you. Yes. Are you still getting scholarship, and if yes, how?
Yes, sir. So sometimes faculties have the projects like normally IIT Madras gives the scholarship for 2.5 years for MS.
Mhm.
Like I know about IIT Bombay, they give for 3 years.
Mhm.
They have the time period of 3 years, limited time
Mhm.
period. So here it depends on faculty to faculty. He can give you the stipend for extra time also through
Mhm.
some project. But the thing is, we have to work on the project also. It's not
Mhm.
like he's simply giving the money and we are not doing anything. So
Mhm.
it's obvious, like if he is paying us, we have to do some extra work also.
Great.
So
Mhm.
if the student is okay in
Mhm.
giving extra
Mhm.
input
Mhm.
for other work,
Mhm.
then
Mhm.
it's good. Means the
Mhm.
faculty will also be happy with that.
Mhm.
So yeah, it's there.
So, any tentative date of your joining Airbus?
Sir, month of June.
Okay, in the month of June.
Yes, yes.
So Anmol, now this is the second interaction I'm having with you. First was जब आप admission लिया था आपने. I think
Hmm.
that was the first
Yes,
semester, and Rahul interacted with you in the
yes.
campus itself. Second is
Huh.
now you got a job successfully completed, very
Okay.
nicely completed masters,
Yes.
and now third will be when you will be in Airbus and you'll be
Okay.
doing job executive there. I'll be again asking you how's the job going and what is the learning going on. So that will be
Sure.
my third sequel and more. So I'll keep on
Sure, sir.
showing it the trajectory, what trajectory you are following. And let me
Okay.
again thank you for the time you spared today. And I'm very
Yeah.
sure जो आपने बताया that is very valuable for
Uh,
students. Anmol.
Sir, one thing I want to add actually,
Yes,
I
please.
have seen here during the placement scenario, like mine was experimental work here totally. I have seen most of the students who join for experimental work and later on they come to know like the data science companies are paying very well for the
Mm-hmm.
profiles that they are opening.
Mm-hmm.
Because I understand this is the IT hub and
Mm-hmm.
they pay like 20s or 30s of lakhs also
Mm-hmm.
annually. So what I have noticed, most of the students, means even if they are good in experimental, they will go for the coding side and they will try to explore that coding side,
Mm-hmm.
and means they will try to see if they can go for core or non-core both.
Mm-hmm.
There, my personal feeling is if you are good in one thing, means it's good to learn coding. I'm not saying don't learn. It's good to
Mm-hmm.
learn coding. You should have good skills in that also, and that is the demand of future actually. But if you are good in one thing and you know that you can do good in that particular field,
Mm-hmm.
you should explore it more.
Mm-hmm.
What I have noticed here is they go for the coding uh, only because they can get
Get the
high
job.
salaries there. They
Mm-hmm.
get
Good
the
sir.
job, they can get high salaries.
Mm-hmm.
But I think that is not the right approach to be followed because
Mm-hmm.
ultimately you have to see the job satisfaction also.
Mm-hmm.
Means
So
even
you
if
should not run after the salary, first salary, but you should
yes,
run after profile.
yes, means
Mm-hmm.
like even if I would have sat for 2 months on the coding thing, I know I can do good in the coding. I now also I know coding a little bit, but if I spend 2 months, I can do good and I can get 20s or 30s of lakhs package also.
Mm-hmm.
But I know that that is not where I want to see in, myself in future.
Mm-hmm. सही
Little bit of coding is okay for
है.
me, but
Mm-hmm.
it's not you ruin yourself.
So set your priorities. मतलब
Yes,
आपको
yes,
salary is one of the criteria, but
yes,
then there are other criteria also which
hmm,
give you job satisfaction.
yes.
Certainly that is true.
If someone is good for coding, I mean, he is happy with the
Go
coding
for
skill, then
go
it's
for
good.
it.
Yeah, go for it.
Mm-hmm. चलो great Anmol, great talking to
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir.
And
Thank you, sir.
I'm very sure ये जो वीडियो है इससे काफी जनता को बेनिफिट होगा and students will
Yes, sir.
really get a lot of things from your interaction.
Yes, sir.
Thank
So
you Anmol.
thanks to you also for giving us guidance when it was like high time for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Anmol, you are my offline student also, and now
Yes,
you are doing your masters also. Okay,
yes,
thank
sir.
you.
Okay. Thank you.